The tip is to keep extra wire on hand to keep production moving. It's important to be able to load tie wire into your wire reel quick and efficiently. Typically in the field, you will use 16 or 16.5 gauge annealed tie wire. Annealing is the process of softening the wire by heating it or changing the temper of the steel to reduce its hardness and make it more ductile. Tie wire rolls are the American standard. Each roll of tie wire weighs 3.5 pounds and can be easily loaded up in a matter of minutes. Here is a trick to expedite the process. Notice how I cut the side of the roll, holding the wire in the middle, and leave the outside tie alone. This keeps the roll from becoming sprung, and I can connect the wire to the middle of the reel. Once this is done, you can replace the reel cover and then cut the last wire holding the roll together and gently pull it out by applying steady pressure. Now you're ready to continue tying rebar. Rock on!